Hi students, welcome back to T-Rex Math. Today we're going to be reviewing the coordinate plane and what you would have learned in 6th grade. So if we look at the coordinate plane, we want to first remember the two axes. So the x-axis runs left and right or horizontal, and the y-axis runs vertical. When we're looking at the axis, we want to make sure that we read the x-axis first, followed by the y-axis second. So more specifically, if I wanted to read point W, I'm going to mark that I have to go 4 units to the right and 1 unit up. And then for point U, I'm going to go 7 units to the right and 2 units down. So my 2 would be a -2. And the last example, if I wanted to read point R, I would go 4 units to the left, so it'd be a -4, and 1 unit down, so I'm going to put a -1. So those are 3 of the ordered pairs in this coordinate plane. In the second example, it's asking for you to recall the different quadrants of a coordinate plane. So once you know the x-axis runs horizontally and the y-axis runs vertically, when you plot each of the ordered pairs, you can tell which quadrant they're in. And if you remember from 6th grade, quadrant 1 is to the top right, quadrant 2 is to the top left, quadrant 3 is to the bottom left, and quadrant 4 is to the bottom right. So if I want to go ahead and plot point S at 3, 2, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 units to the right and 1, 2 units up. So that would be point S, and then I can eliminate these extra points. Okay, and that would be point S. If I want to put point T at 0, -1, I'm going to start at the origin and I don't go to the right or left, but then I go down 1, and that would be point T. And then if I want to plot point U, I would go -4, and since it's negative, I go to the left, and then 2 below the x-axis, and that'd be point U, and then I can eliminate the points that I no longer need once I get to my final location. Okay, hopefully this is a good review for the coordinate plane, and now you can do some practice on your own using IXL.